Hello guys, let's get started with today's video. First you have to wrap your hairs in this manner, and after that you can simply make a braid as shown in this video. Make braids from the top edges of your hairs and then simply tie them all together. After tying them all together, you can see how perfectly they fit your hairs into a bun form. Now take the two strands of your hairs like this and then make braids at this position. You have to just overlap them and make them into a bun form. Now simply make the hair follicles like this, and after making them you have to just make the braid in this manner, and after making braid you can simply put it all together into a bun form. Now you have to make braid in this manner, and after making braid you have to simply roll it like this. See how perfect this hairstyle looks. For your next hairstyle, you are going to first overlap the hair follicles as shown, and after doing that you have to make a braid as shown in this video. After making a braid, simply roll it into this manner. First tie your hairs all together and then start rolling them into this manner. See how beautiful this fluffy bun looks. After crossing your hairs in this position, you have to tie a braid like this. After making a braid, you can simply apply it over here. Now after crossing your hairs, you have to just insert the hair follicles, and after inserting them, you can see how perfectly they fit. With the help of these tools, you can make this complex yet beautiful hairstyle with very few easy steps. Just follow the movement of hands and you are done with this bun. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this. Stay tuned.